What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, thanks for tuning in. I figured I would change it up a little bit on this video and let you guys watch everything, all the work getting done. And then at the end, I would do my talking and let you guys listen to that. So let me know if you guys like that style of video. Obviously out here in front of my house right now, so if you guys hear cars going by, that's why. But if you guys like this style of video where you guys kind of get to watch everything taking place in the project unfold, and then talking at the end, let me know. If you guys are here watching right now at this point in the video, I'm guessing you guys probably enjoyed it. So if you're here, go down, hit that like button. It helps me and the channel out more than you can even imagine. Really helps the channel out. So if you are here watching, go hit the like button. It would mean a lot to me. But yeah, here we are. The door is finally done, and I think it turned out awesome. I think it really cleaned up nicely. The old hardware on it looks really good. The new hardware you see over my shoulder, I think it matches pretty darn well. Overall, I think the door looks really nice. It's kind of funny because with how this house is set up, the main door, it really isn't going to be used hardly at all, but nonetheless, an old farmhouse has to have an old farmhouse door on it, and I think it turned out awesome with some of the cool old bracketry. The old big knocker on it sounds really cool. Just turned out really nice. I am super happy with it. And not to mention, I could have gone and just bought a brand new door and replaced it. Would have been a lot easier, would have saved me a lot of time, but I am almost positive this is the original door from the house. So this is a handmade door from the 1940s that is now looking brand new. And to be able to bring it back to life, something like that, I think is pretty cool. I would love to do that kind of stuff with a lot of the stuff on this house. Try to keep as much of the original stuff as I can, because, I don't know, it's just kind of cool to think back that this front door was made by somebody in the 1940s, probably somebody that just got back from the war, kind of starting his life again. Maybe it was the homeowners, I don't know. But to be able to keep the original front door on it, I think is pretty cool, and I think it turned out awesome. It was a fun project for me to work on. It's kind of one of those things that I just go out on my evenings and spend a little bit of time here and there working on it. And now 2 weeks later, it is done. It is on the house. The house is secure again. We don't have a sheet of plywood on the front of the house anymore. And it's looking really nice. Let me know what you guys think about it. I think it turned out good. Really like the color choice. I wasn't 100% sure how it would turn out, but I'm happy to say that it turned out nicely, and I think it matches the house really well. Now, if you're new here and you have no idea who I am or what this channel is, my name's Joe. We are at my house that I just purchased, an old 1940s farmhouse. Finally, this is the first house I've purchased on my first bit of land that I've gotten to live on, and I am super excited to be here. The inside of the house is in pretty rough shape, so we're going to be doing a lot of renovations in here. So if you are interested in watching the restoration of this old farmhouse, you're interested in that kind of stuff, I would imagine if you're watching this video, you are interested in that kind of stuff. I would encourage you to hit the subscribe button. We got a lot of fun projects going on here. If you're here for all the automotive stuff, that stuff is still going to be continuing. Don't worry, I haven't lost the passion for that, but a lot of this stuff is going to be taking up a good chunk of my time. We should be starting on some pretty big projects inside the house here really soon. So if you guys are interested, hit the subscribe button. Got a lot of fun stuff coming. This should be a very exciting year. I am happy to finally be out here on my own piece of land, out in the country, somewhere I always wanted to end up. So pretty excited about what this year is going to be holding. And yeah, I don't want to ramble on too much longer. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave it a like or a thumbs up down below. If you have any questions or comments, or you just want to say hey, leave that down in the comment section. I try to respond to as many people as I can. Even if I don't respond, I read your comments, so I appreciate all of your guys' interaction with the channel. With that, I think I'm going to close out this video. It's starting to rain, and I got a couple more projects to get done around here before I leave. So yeah, catch you guys on the next video. Hopefully you guys have had a great weekend.